Okay, hello and welcome. We're here at Namemesh.com, which is one of the domain search websites. It's an online resource that's free. We're going to take a look and see how we can use it. So your awesome domain name is waiting, and you can type in some information here, and you notice down here it will look for different categories, different information based on keywords that you place in this field up here. They have common, where they'll check the availability of the most common TLDs or top-level domains. There's new for new suffixes. You'll see some new ones coming out all the time. There's similar, where those alternatives. SEO for SEO possibilities on the domain keywords. Short, if you're looking to take some of the keywords you use and give you a short domain. Fun, it does some fun things with the keywords, gives you some interesting options. And then extra and mix. So the easiest way to do this is just start typing in here. Now I'm working with WordPress, and we're also working with funnels. So let's try, we'll do WordPress. Now you notice as you start typing, it says tip. Works best with 2 to 3 domain keywords separated by space, for example, Namemesh. So let's do WordPress and let's do funnel, which are the 2 keywords that I'm interested in using for this start. And here it goes. It searches out and finds us. First, let's see. Well, WordPressFunnel.com is available. Score. Now, if I wanted to do this, I could just do it right here, and I could register now. Oh, that's sort of bad. I actually found one right away. But let's take a look at what other options it gave me. Under common, you see it gives you WordPressFunnel.com, and if you can click on these, that means if they're listed here, that means they're ones that you could get. And there's different versions. They put hyphens, they do different endings. Net.org. Same with similar. Here's where you could do a little brainstorming. WordPress Funnel, WordPress Channel, WordPress Launder, WordPress Siphon. All these different choices. Here in new, these are the new domain endings. Club, site, online. So you get some other options. You could still use the same words, WordPress Funnel, but now club.site.online.link. Short, where they're taking and really compacting it if you're looking for a short domain name using WordPress and Funnel. Fun, where they combine stuff like WordPrenel and WordPressel and WordNell.com. So you have some fun things. Here's extra, where you have other endings that you could use, and also mix, where it just starts mixing stuff up. So even though I did just find the one I was looking for, just for kicks, let's do this. The one thing about words like WordPress or Facebook, you have to be careful about using them in a domain. It could run you into problems later on. So let's say instead of WordPress Funnel, we're going to do WP Funnel, because everybody knows if you say Facebook, but then you say FB, hey, guess what? We know that's Facebook. WordPress, if we say WP, hey, guess what? We know that's WordPress. So now I'm putting those 2 in here, and I'm hitting generate. Now we wait. Now, interesting, WP Funnel .com is not available. But guess what? Chances are somebody realized that using the full word WordPress in a domain probably not the best idea. So we look, and again, we have some other ideas. And if you do something and you find a domain that you like, but it's not available, you can always click this to check the who is. And what who is it's a service that you can go and see if they have registered the domain and they haven't used the privacy feature. You can find who actually owns it. Maybe it's somebody that you can contact. Maybe they'll sell you the domain for a price if it's something that you really, really, really want. Now, moving on here, other options, common, where it takes WP Funnel. .net's available. So if I didn't want .com, I could do .net. Though honestly, if you're choosing domains and you're trying to do a nice top-level domain, .com, if you can find the name that works with .com, that's usually your best bet. But he gives you some options here. Similar, WP Launder, WP Siphon. New, we have the .club, .site, different .rocks, WP Funnel. So you have all these options. Short, w.pf if you want to if you want a very, very short domain. The fun, WPNL, WPunnel, WFunnel. Same thing, extra mix. But as you can see, Namemesh is very, very easy to use. Now, if you were going to use Namemesh and then you clicked on one of these, typically all these free domain search, online searches, they always usually have affiliate programs. So for example, I wanted to use wpfunnel.net. It says click to check social usernames and register. If we click on that, what it'll automatically do is take us to a registrar, in this case GoDaddy, and it'll tell us here we can buy it for $11.99. Now, the trick here is that, oh, we're going to go back here. Namemesh, if you click, if they help you find it and you search it and you like it and you click it, chances are they will make some money. This is where they make their money. They will make some money when they go and you register at GoDaddy this thing that you found over here. It's nothing bad. It's not like you're going to pay any extra. But GoDaddy's not my first choice in in domain name registration. So if you want, you can go through, click, and register. However, I would suggest that you make notes of which domains you want, and then later on we're going to find the right place to go register our domain name.